Well, according to the health department, Philadelphia now has its first case of the bird flu. It says the infected goose was found in West Philadelphia.
Well, health reporter Stephanie Stahl joining us now with more on this discovery and actually what it means for people and for your pets as well.
That's right, Natasha. Well, doctors say the risk is low, but people and pets can be infected with bird flu if they come in direct contact with an infected animal. The health department says on January 11th, a resident on the 1200 block of 59th Street near Carroll Park in West Philadelphia called officials about a sick goose. It was captured, euthanized, and tested positive for avian influenza. Officials say the threat to people remains low, but add everyone should stay away from wild birds.
It's definitely something that we're keeping a close eye on. I think we have been tracking this very closely.
Dr. Eric Sachinwala is an infectious disease specialist with Jefferson Health. What are the potential risks to people?
The people that have become sick with this have usually had direct exposure to sick animals.
There's been a growing number of bird flu cases, including here in Delaware at Cape Henlopen State Park.
We encountered, I'd say, at least 15, 20 birds before we just lost count.
Jack Hartford reported what he saw to state officials. He's worried about the infection being spread to people and pets.
Just thinking a lot of people put their pets loose out here when they think they're all by themselves. Dogs being dogs would run up into the dunes and all over the place, encountering possibly a lot of these dead animals. Some of them are half eaten.
The CDC says while it's rare, cats and dogs can catch bird flu. Laura Page from Brandywine SPCA says people should be taking extra precautions with their pets.
Err on the side of caution. If you see a bird that's acting funny or if it's deceased, stay away from it. Contact the state and let them know where it is.
Bird flu has spread to dairy herds across the country, and about 60 people have been infected, mostly those with close contact to animals. Now today, health officials in Delaware announced they're expanding testing and tracking of bird flu because the virus easily spreads in flocks. They are expecting more cases. But again, there are no human cases in this region. We will continue to follow this for you.
Good stuff. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Steph.